Hi friends, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I am here to share an incoming swap received from Michelle Randolph. She is Shabby Chic here on YouTube, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, I will clarify that below, but I will be linking her channel because you guys, if you're not familiar with her, you will want to check out her channel. She is amazing at creating 3D projects, and everything that she makes is just absolutely gorgeous. I am thrilled to have been partnered with her with the Loaded Envelope Galore and More group on Facebook. So if you guys like making swaps with partners from across the US, it's a wonderful group to join, and I do encourage you to do so. Everything that everyone makes is just stunning. So I am going to open this, and then we can go ahead and take a look at what's inside. The requirements were to make a camera box, a shaker style, I'm retracting that, a Polaroid style shaker card, and then a little folio to fit inside of the 3D camera. And I believe it was Melinda who made the tutorial, so I'm going to say thank you so much. If I said the wrong name, I do apologize, but I will also link her tutorial for, or I think she did the shaker, the Polaroid shaker tutorial. So I'll link that below so that you guys, if you want to make the card that you're going to see in this swap, you can definitely do that as well. So I'm going to, obviously I haven't opened the box, so we're going to open it together, and I'll take everything out. That way we can see this together. Let me see if I can, not sure if it's all going to fit here. I think it will, but okay. So let's take a look at what she sent, and I immediately see a card. And thank you so much. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow. This card, okay. So, all right, let me just start here. And thank you so much, Michelle. I'm so thrilled to be able to do this and have you as my partner. So, oh, look at that. Her little card is a camera, and it says smile. This is so adorable. Thank you. It says, Raquel, thank you for swapping with me. I love your work, and I'm thrilled to have a piece of your work. Hope you like what I have created. Of course. Hugs, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Yes, I am very, very excited. So, oh, the colors that she selected, first of all, are so beautiful. I love rose gold, and I haven't ever, no, I take that back. I've only ever created one project in this color scheme. But guys, this camera is huge compared to the one that I made. Wow. And you know, it's like we always say, when you see things in video, it just doesn't do it justice, or you know, photos. Her work is just stunning. Wow, this is so beautiful, Michelle. Thank you so much. And I forgot the name of this paper line, but if you see Michelle's video, and I will link that as well, you'll be able to see which paper line she used. But let me take the box away, the paper here, so that way there's no glare. But guys, look at this. I love this image with the little bird, and then she used pearls. She used all of these gorgeous flowers, and there is chunky glitter all over this, and then the little pearls on top. Everything is just so beautiful. This cluster here with this crinkled seam binding, and I love that you made a double bow, Michelle. That's gorgeous. So look at the strap. How she did it is that she used a pink ribbon, and then on top of that there's a crochet ribbon as well. And there's the back. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I did not picture this to be so large. So of course this is a box, and so inside were to be the 3D card, or I'm sorry, the Polaroid style card. So let's take a look at this one. And can't see, guys, so okay, I don't want to ruin anything though. Got my little kitty cat here visiting my room. Alright, so here's the Polaroid style card. Isn't that so cool? Now I made mine a little bit differently just because I had a die that I wanted to use, but this is super cool. And then of course she's got her little flowers here. Oh my gosh, so dainty and beautiful, and the leaves. And then it opens like so, so I'll be able to write a message inside, and the recipient will be able to just have, you know, the see-through card. This is just so cool. Super neat. So I'm going to have to try this style as well, because I sort of cheated when I made mine. But then here's the little book that goes inside. And I realize this is going to be a long video, but it's just fun. Look at this. Look at how she made it. Nice and chunky and just beautiful. And then she did add some shimmer to this image here. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of see it there. And the colors are just so beautiful. I love the seam binding. It's so dainty and cute. And so this was, of course, to contain the pictures. And, oh, and I see, oh, this is awesome, Michelle, thank you. So she put a bunch of these little Polaroid style frames here. So I'm not limited to just what will fit here. Thank you so much, Michelle, because I could do like a little journaling and then add whatever picture like so. And I could also ink this if I wanted to. Thank you, Michelle. That's super, super smart. I so appreciate that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. That's so fun. So, I mean, I'm blown away. You're so talented, Michelle, and I love your attention to detail. I mean, her projects are just out of this world. So, wow. Oh, can't wait to display this in my room, my studio. I'm gonna walk around my house and be like, cheese. Say cheese. Anyway, I'm corny, I know. Okay, she packed this up, and there are items here that were not required. Wow, guys, take a look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, all right, before I get crazy here. Here's the next item that she included. And now these are little extras. And we all like doing that, you know, including a little something more, right? Now, I had only asked her to please send me a Dex card, and this is not it. So this is an extra, because I just wanted one with her information. But look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. This paper. Oh, it's so cute. It's a little box. Oh my gosh. Oh, cool. I love this. Oh my goodness. You're going to have to tell me which file this is. So this is a bunch of chunky little rolled roses in the prettiest pink. And the little bows to match. And these have stitching on them too. Oh, I think I have this file. You must have used a silhouette or a Cricut. Because I'm pretty sure. Oh, but I've never made them this small. These are so adorable. Wow. And that, I know how much work it takes to make these. So thank you. Thank you, Michelle. I will put those to good use. I'm just going to set that here for one moment. And she also included the most beautiful little butterflies. And they are all in the rose gold, the lighter pink, and then the pattern paper here, which matches the paper line. And then she put it, the background as this beautiful vellum that has script on it. So I'll be able to use the butterflies and that paper as well. Thank you so much. That's so generous of you, Michelle. Thank you. Thank you. And I see this little gold bag. This is catching my eye. Oh my gosh. Let's see what's in here. So, oh, this feels like lace. Let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So she included this, I know there's a name for this. And I apologize that I'm blanking at the moment, but look at how pretty. Eyelet, is it eyelet lace? I think that's what it's called. But very nice and wide. So pretty. That's wonderful for mini albums. And then this crochet lace here. Very beautiful. And so much of it. Guys, I mean, look at this. This is at least 24 inches worth of lace. So thank you so much, Michelle. This is so generous of you. And the detail here is absolutely stunning as well. So pretty. It's delicate, but it's got some weight to it. So I truly appreciate that. So there's that. And then she included, oh, okay, so I see her little Dex card. This is what I had asked her to make. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. I'll blank that out. I'll edit this video if that's the case. But look at the little camera. And it's got the little flowers here, again, with the same paper line. She did the background in this beautiful green color. And check this out. There's a little arrow here, because look. It's got a shutter, and then when you look inside, there's a little bird in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got this mechanism. It's so cute, and I'm being gentle with it because I don't want to break it. But that is super cool. Thank you, Michelle. I've seen this before, but I don't remember who makes it. Super cool. And then she did put her details. Let me see if I can cover part of this so that way you guys can see. She is Shabby Chic, Michelle Randolph. Here's her information. Please follow her. And her favorite style is shabby and favorite color is pink, and I think we can definitely see that here. So thank you for that. I'll be adding that to my collection of Dex cards. And guys, I cannot believe this. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. So this is extra, guys. This was not a requirement. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Wow. So she colored a little Tilda doll. And she made this beautiful card, and again with a double bow here, handmade bow, all these flowers, these beautiful leaves, and the frame is in that rose gold that's just absolutely stunning. And then, oh, this is one of these, oh my gosh, get out! Look at how, oh my goodness! So it starts off, this is so cool! Starts off with this little girl. And then you open it and boom, this girlfriend shows up. I love it. Oh, that is so creative. Oh, I'm loving, I might have to copy this, Michelle. This is so cool. Super neat. I don't know if you have a tutorial on that, but if you don't, you should definitely make one because that is stunning. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then there's more. She included these embellishments, and I believe this was a requirement, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember now. But these, oh my gosh, these are little rosettes, but I know that pennants, I believe is what they're called. Look at how darling, just so delicate with the tiny little flowers, and of course matching the paper collection and everything. Oh, it's so pretty. So what she's done is the little rosette, and then she followed that with a rose gold flower, or scallop circle, I should say, and then the other circle, and it's nice and sturdy. So these are not, I mean, they're very, very chunky. And then she's got the little flags on each one, and a cluster of little flowers. Just so darling. This is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you. And then, last but not least, she's also included, oh goodness, these little, oh, I know the name. I forgot. Embroidery hoops. That's what they are. Look at how darling. I don't have anything like this, so thank you so much, because then you can use these as little picture frames too. With the little flowers, all monochromatic, and then she did add some shine. It looks like she added stickles to each of the flowers. Everything is just impeccable and absolutely lovely. I want to say a huge, huge thank you to Michelle and the ladies from the Loaded Envelope Galore and More group. I mean, it's so much fun to swap with them, and this is no exception. As you can tell, she went all out creating all of these beautiful, beautiful items, and I truly appreciate your generosity, Michelle. I hope that you like also what I have sent to you, and that we can continue to, you know, participate in different swaps and all that good stuff. But I appreciate you guys also for watching. Be inspired and be blessed. Bye-bye.